Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add League of Legends to Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here we are currently on Steam. In order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner and click on Library to go to your game's library. In Library, come down to the bottom left-hand corner and you're going to see an option to add a game. Click that and then select Add a non-Steam game. This will bring up a list of all the programs, apps, and games on your PC. From here, scroll through the list and look for League of Legends. Once you find it, tick the box next to it, then click the blue Add Selected Programs button. Now, League of Legends has been added to your Steam library. You can customize this further by right-clicking the game, selecting Properties, and then changing the shortcut name or image. You can even add a custom background by right-clicking the blank banner, selecting Set Custom Background, and uploading an image from your Downloads folder. So that's basically how you can add League of Legends to Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.